35 years old, I've never been sick. Cleanse your lungs and stop coughing. Prepare some limes and wash them thoroughly. Take a sufficient amount of garlic. Clean it and crush it into small pieces. Take the prepared limes and cut them into small pieces. Then mix the garlic with the lime pieces. Prepare honey. Put the garlic and lime into a container, then add honey. Stir well. Put it in a glass jar and close it. Let it sit for 3 days. Drink it in the morning and at night before bed. And make sure you have already had breakfast or a meal. Subscribe for more health tips.